Not 6. I just got fucking winter brain going on, man. Oh, you're so close to real golf too.
It is, still a month or so.
You golf, Terry?
I actually started learning.
Oh yeah?
Got a set of clubs. I got my son a set. We went out last year for the first couple times.
Oh, good for you.
Yeah, definitely a beginner. So no jacket clubs.
Well, if you go with Phil, I'll go too, because then I won't be embarrassed.
I'm not a driver off the back of the
Yeah, but if you're capable of more, that's not as embarrassing. That's what we are. Let's get it to this line first. What are we this way?
Hey?
What am I this way?
It's 192 and an 8.
192 and an 8, okay. Let's get the bottom plate to the line just so we know we're straight.
Yeah.
On there. You want to... Terry, give it a kick in the middle of the wall. Yeah, no, hold on.
Want to give her a tap there?
Hold on,
okay.
Phil's gonna attack his side.
Gotcha.
Give it a kick. Oh, perfect.
Oh, sorry.
We'll get it. Oh, moving on. Oh, we're good. That's it. It's moving like nobody's touching it. There we go.
Solid.
Solid.
Guys, you're good now?
Yeah. What are we?
214, 916.
214, 9/16. 214, 7/16. 214. 9/16. Let's check it this way just to be sure. Yeah, you go that way. Beautiful. Wunderbar. All right. Yes. I'll pull from front, yeah. Leave it up that 1.25 inches. Perfect. Actually, you tack your top there. Oh, fuck, sorry.
You happy?
I'm happy, yeah. I just gotta pull this guy out. I'm gonna pull this guy out, see if you can. Oh, for fuck's sake. Nail that whole fucking thing. There we go, there we go. Fucking beauty. Sure. Yeah. Pretty good.
The studs pretty fucking.
Yeah.
Studs are pretty hot.
There we go. Release a little bit, right there.
Yeah, I'm running.
That's it.
Sorry, guys.
See you tomorrow, buddy.
Cheerio. Nope, I guess they wouldn't be seeing you tomorrow.
Well, if you get away.
If I got a red
Mm-hmm.
name. Big lifty lifty.
Big lifty lifty. You got any more little blocks somewhere?
I can get you some.
Yeah, let's get some. No couple of these fucking shitty things. This guy sucks anyways. Oh, we need them here, Terry. Stick one in under the end.
Nice and soft.
All right. Fucking light work. We gotta go another 4 inches. Oh, too much. It's gotta come to me like 3/8. Whoa. 1/4 inch. Oh, another one of those, or what you just did. Oh. Right there is good. I'll tack my.
Yeah?
Yeah. You're on your line there. I'm on in this corner.
Hey?
I'm on in the corner, but my middle's out. We'll jump to the outside, push the middle in. I just want to make sure that that window hasn't moved anywhere. No, okay, good. Because he's got his cabinet. I'm gonna bump my window over a little bit just to be center of that.
Okay.
I have the drawing on my email, but just.
Well, it didn't take long to get that wall up.
No.
No windows or anything.
Yeah, it's just a dead wall. Okay, perfect. Thank you. That's all I need.
Great.
There's nothing different about the kitchen drawing. It's just I'd rather be centered to that cabinet than where the architect put it on the drawing. You know what I mean? Because that way we know, or else we could run into the same shit what happened in Lindsay. Remember we had to move that window?
Oh.
But she didn't have a kitchen design yet.
Yeah.
She did it afterwards. But that dimension, like the architect puts it where it looks best, but
Yeah.
it really depends on the size of cabinets you get. Here in the front seat of my truck, there's a DeWalt framing nailer. Can you go grab that and get a battery from the batteries are all in the bed in that little case.
Banded out wire at the end there, so it looks nice. Full is good.
On the cereal box?
What are we doing here?
Twist there.
I don't know. What's going on?
I don't know. Sunday, that's what's going on.
Yeah. Oh, wow. It's fucking Sunday.
That was so fast, man.
I'm gonna have to edit that out. It's getting edited out, buddy.
Those are the good moments.
Not for me.
Can't do this.
This isn't working. Edit that guy out of there. What was this? That was this guy, right? Oh, jamming. Yeah. I need 82s.
I don't know how to respond to that.
Got a load going in your face. Well, I'm saying, don't be like nasty.
Alright, I gotta go talk to them for a sec.
Yep.
We're just packing up, right? You guys aren't doing anything else?
No.
Okay.
Just finish up here and
You can get blocks on this end for now if you want.
throw